Hello and welcome to a new topic, stylistics. In this lesson, we will talk about meaning of stylistics, definition, explanation, purpose, and branches of stylistics. Let's talk each one of them in detail. The first one is meaning of stylistics. The word stylistics could be divided into three different segments. The first one is style, and you know what is the meaning of style, way of expression. The second one is stick. It refers to belonging to, relating to, and we have the letter S. It refers to science. And together, if we combine all these three, it becomes stylistics, which means science of a style, art of a style, discipline of a style, way of expression, way of writing something like this. We continue our discussion. We have now definition of stylistics. The first definition is stylistics is a method of textual interpretation in its various forms, patterns, and levels of linguistic structures. We have another definition. Stylistics is interested in language as a function of text in context. And the third one is stylistics is the linguistic study of a style. We continue our discussion. Now we have explanation of stylistics. How do we explain it? Let's see. Stylistics is an interdisciplinary branch of linguistics. We have another point. It talks all about style in language. We have some more ideas. In fact, it is all about the way we use language to talk or write. Some more ideas to share. It is all about the way we make choices. Choices about what? About the words we use, and this refers to lexical choice, and the order in which we use them, and this refers to syntactic structure. We continue our discussion about explanation of stylistics. In short, it refers to style in a spoken and written language. Stylistics explores how authors create effects through their linguistic styles and how readers interpret those effects. The preferred object of study in stylistics is literature. Why? Because literature has the possibility of immense creativity, of immense possibility of innovation in language use. We continue our discussion about purpose of stylistics. Why should we learn stylistics? It thereby enriches our ways of thinking about language. It helps us understand various styles of writings. It informs us about innumerable possibilities to express the same things in different ways. Now we have major branches of stylistics. The first one is literary stylistics. What is this? What does it mean? It refers to science of analyzing the language of literature. We have the second one, lexical stylistics. It is about linguistic study of words. We have now comparative stylistics. It is to study the stylistic characteristics of one language in comparison with those of another one. We have now grammatical stylistics. It is to study style of sentence structure in which parts of a sentence, for example, subject, verb, and object, are arranged. We have now functional stylistics. It studies functional varieties of the literary language determined by specific spheres and aims of communication. Further, we can say it intends to fulfill a specific function of communication and aiming at a definite effect. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.